rest a second. And we got people over here watching us. See how this goes. What's up, guys? Mr. Lucky Moto. We just celebrated our 1-year anniversary of this channel being existing, and what a better way to celebrate than with a bike. And drum roll, please. We are going to be giving away 1 t-shirt and 2 stickers. I know this is kind of like this, one of the dumbest giveaways ever, but hey, you know what? I'm a small channel. I can't really afford to do much, and hey, this is just one way for me to give back to my fans. Number 1, you got to be following me on my Instagram. That's where the giveaway is going to be happening. If you're not following my Instagram, you don't get an entry. Number 2, you got to like, share, and tag your friends in my post. You got to tag 3 friends in my post, and I will be selecting the winner of the giveaway in 2 weeks. 2 weeks from the upload day, which would be, oh gosh, when is the upload day for this? I ain't mathing. The 12th of July. 12th of July is when this video is going to be uploading, and so 2 weeks from the 12th of July is when we're going to be doing the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be finalized. Put a picture of the design of the shirt right here and all the stickers. Now you guys know what you're getting yourselves into. If you guys want to support, go ahead, enter the giveaway. Even just getting followers on Instagram, it means so much to me. I really need to start posting Instagram more anyways. That's why I have no followers. I don't post. Please enjoy the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can see more videos, and let's get on with it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw you to me in the past, because this is me a couple days before editing this video, so I'm just gonna pass me. Oh my gosh, this thing rips. Woo! Getting out on the new bike. Oh my gosh, dude, this is awesome. I've been working on this bike for so long. Now she's finally running. Granted, not exactly where I was originally planning on her being, but not exactly where I was planning her to be, because I was planning on it being a stunt bike. But I kind of just wanted something a little bit different for just normal street riding. So I was kind of just like, screw it, let's just get this thing out and ride it. Damn, dude, this thing gets up and goes. Holy shit. I don't feel like taking it out on the twisties just yet. Still just want to get comfortable riding the bike in general. Oh fuck. Woo! Oh my gosh, dude, this thing absolutely rips. Holy shit. Dude, this thing has so much power. Trouble on this bike. Holy shit. This is all top end power. So it's like, if you want to go fast or get the power out of this thing, you gotta like speed. You gotta speed. Damn, I should say on the first. Holy shit, okay. Dude, I don't know. I'm not used to this thing at all. Like these kinds of bikes, this is first gear. I can downshift into first without having to be practically at a stop. Damn, okay. Damn, okay. Dude, this thing's fast. Holy shit. Damn, dude, this thing is loud. I'm wearing earplugs and it's still loud as shit. You know, I was talking about wearing earplugs in my videos. Yep, now I'm very glad that I am, for sure. Ooh, I got like little feet rests. The crash case, I got little feet rests. But yeah, so I got the bike going. She's sitting pretty. I'll have to get off and show you guys what she looks like. Because I just went ahead and off camera, I just went ahead and I got eBay fairings. I actually ended up buying a whole other parts bike for, I think actually, I might have put that in the video that I had already had another parts bike. I think I did at least, but maybe I didn't. False neutral. I don't know if there's like a, is that like shows that there's like an issue or what, but it feels so high off the ground compared to my Ninja. Like, I don't know, this is like nothing compared to like an R6, but still weird though. Oh my gosh, it keeps shifting into neutral. Yes, it feels so good. It's so rewarding when you like actually when you spend so much time working on a project and then you finally get it done. And I mean, now she's just sitting here pretty. I mean, she's still got like the crash gauge. She's still got the crash gauge. She's still got the sub cage. Still got all that. She's just a little bit more of a street bike than anything. Now, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that view. I love this road. Such a nice little road. It's something small, nothing too crazy. I say nothing too crazy a lot in my videos. Really need to find something else to say. Hopefully I'm not blowing out the camera or blowing out the mic with how loud this exhaust is. That's actually cool. That's actually pretty cool looking elementary school. I don't remember seeing that. I know it's been there for a while, but I don't remember ever actually taking a look at it. It looks pretty good. I like it. Dang. It's like I sit up and I'm like towering over this bike now. And this isn't even considered one of like the really aggressive sport bikes. A lot of people consider this like a sport touring bike now, like apparently. Dang. It's still so weird like steering with this thing even. Like, I'm not used to this canvas steering. I really have to like get my elbows down in order to like really steer this thing. Brakes, like, it feels like all the weight goes over to your arms. It's hard to rep because it takes a lot more effort to do that. This is the first one. This is really the first like aftermarket levers I actually like the feel of. eBay levers. Typically not a fan of eBay levers, but these ones are kind of good. These ones I kind of like. I don't know why. Like hot damn. Whew. Okay, yeah, so yeah, here she is. It's just an eBay fairing kit, but I mean, she's got this. She's a little dirty already, damn. But yeah, I need to go and I need to wash this thing. Take the time to go do that. All right. Well, let's go ahead and hop back on this thing. Why a bike this fast is legal on the road, or even why we need a bike that's this fast. I mean, it's like, dude, like I look at the throttle wrong and I'm already going over the speed limit. Like, holy shit, dude, why do we need a bike that's this fast? And I know there are bikes that are even faster. Sawyer's bike is faster. Connor's bike is probably faster. Holy shit. But this one, at least this bike in particular, you really have to wring its neck to get the fun out of it. haven't been talking much, but mostly just kind of focusing on not dying on a new bike. It's always kind of a sketchy thing when you're riding a new bike, especially one that's a completely different style than what you're used to. You're still getting used to the power band, and it's still just like, it's just all new to me, this kind of bike. It's all new to me. The power band is so different. I didn't realize it was going to be this different, but I knew it was going to be different, but I didn't think it was going to be this different, what I'm trying to say. Yeah. But anyways, so yeah, new bike to the channel. I'm probably going to be riding this thing a lot more in these videos, but thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can see next time I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this